Hi, Crystal here from Christico Design. Today's tutorial is the Mesh Triangle Shawl. First we'll start with the slip knot on your hook. Then we'll make our chains. For this sample I'm just doing a short chain. Then I will double crochet into the 6th chain, and those skipped chains will count as a double crochet in a chain 1. Chain 1, then I'm going to skip the next chain and double crochet into the chain after that. I'll just continue to repeat chain 1, skip a chain, double crochet into the next chain. Once I've completed the first row, I will turn my work. Then I will start with the chain 4, which will count as our first double crochet plus our chain 1. To begin our triangle decrease, we will skip the first 3 stitches, the chain 1, the double crochet, and the next chain. Then we will double crochet into the top of the next double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, and double crochet into the top of the next double crochet. You'll continue that repeat across till it is time to decrease on the other end, at which point we will skip the chain 1, the double crochet, the next chain, and we will work a double crochet into the 3rd chain from our first skipped chains on that row 1. Turn our work and we will begin the same way with the chain 4, which will count as our double crochet, and our chain 1. We'll continue to skip those first 3 and double crochet into the next double crochet. Then you'll continue the repeat pattern across, chain 1, double crochet, skipping those chain spaces in between. Once we've reached our last 4 stitches, then we will skip the chain, the double crochet in the next chain, and then into the top of the 3rd chain we will double crochet. You will start each row the same way with a chain 4 and a decrease by skipping those first 3 stitches, and then following the simple double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 pattern across. And then when you get to the end of each row, you will do the same thing. On your last 4 stitches, you'll skip the 3 and double crochet into the last stitch, which is the top of the 3rd chain from our chain 4. On your very last row of your triangle, where you're narrowing the tip, you'll start with the chain 4 and skip 3, which is pretty much the whole row, and then chain 1 and double crochet into the 3rd chain. This will create the very final tip of your mesh triangle shawl.